Hey everyone, in the previous video I explained you how to create an account as well as how to create your first video in OpenAI Sora. So now in this video I will be explaining you about the workspace and other options that are available. So by default you'll be having this all video space where all the videos that we have generated will be displayed along with the prompt that we are given. So let's start with the top. So we are having the explore option, and if we go to the recent, all the videos that are recently generated by other people will be appearing over here. And the fun part about this is we can get the prompt of those users. For example, if you're really liking this video, you can just click on this, and here you'll be having the entire prompt of that video. So you can just click like this, and you can just copy this, Control A to copy this. And if I go with some other video over here, and this is the prompt, it's just marketing. If you click on the prompt itself, you'll be actually getting an interface like this. So you can literally create an video and just adjust the other properties from here itself. This is a cool feature. And what if you really liked a particular video from here and you want to save it? In that case, you can just click here, just click on save. That's it. And if you go to this saved thing, that particular video that you saved earlier will be appearing over here. Next is going to be the featured. Feature is nothing, it just displays the exact same videos, but these are like hand-picked videos unlike the recent ones. And next is going to be the all videos. I explained to you earlier. And next is going to be the favorites. So the difference between favorites and saved is that favorites is like a bookmark for our own video generation. For example, this is my video, and if I want to save this, I can just click on favorite, and if I go to favorite, my video will be appearing over here. So next is uploads. Currently I don't have anything. This displays our images or videos that we are uploaded. And next is going to be the new folder. This is quite similar to the projects thing in ChatGPT. I can just name it as 1, give a name to the folder, and go to my all videos. This just helps us to organize all our generated videos. For example, if I click this and go to add to folder, I can just click the folder name. That's it. And if I go here, I'll be having that video over here. And if you just remove this, yeah, the video generated won't be removed, only the folder will be getting removed. And in the workspace, we are also having some filters, filter by prompts, storyboards, remixes. So based upon the type we used to generate these videos, we can filter. So I used prompt, so this image will be displayed. So if I go with blends, nothing will be displayed because I didn't use blend. I created by using prompt. That's this. And we have the view, which is list or grid view. And if I go to the profile, and we have video tutorials if you want any of those. And we have the credit system. That's pretty much it. That's the interface. Pretty simple, and it does the work. And in the next video, I'll be explaining you about presets and other properties, how you can use to create videos in Sora. So that's the video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. I've done a lot of videos in ChatGPT, Gemini AI, OpenAI, APIs, programming, and other AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.